Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12R, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device. And as you can see, there's two areas where you might think you can insert this. We want to utilize the one that is part of the cutout right here, so closer to the edge. Now from here, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you'll have space for two different SIM cards. You can place one on either side, and for your future reference and simplicity, they are labeled. So SIM 2 is the bottom one, SIM 1 is the top one. Now in reality this doesn't matter. Where it will matter is if you have more than one SIM card in, but you're using only one and you keep the other one deactivated just for some purposes, like having a burner number for all the crap that you need to sign up for. So there, you can pop it in. So I did occupy the top one. Now I don't have any pin on it, so it automatically just activates itself, and we can find it under the settings and then go to mobile network, I believe. And you can see it's SIM 1, it's occupied, and then SIM 2, there's nothing in there. You can also tap on it to view the number, information, and all that stuff. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.